What the rich know about money that you don't know. Hey, ladies, it's me again, Keisha from KD Investing. All right, let me put you on game. The rich don't just know how to make money, they know how to make money work for them. There's a huge difference between how the rich think about money and how most people think about it. And that's what we're breaking down today. Money is a tool, not a goal. The rich don't chase money just to spend it. They use it as a tool to create more money. Every dollar is like a little employee, and his job is to bring back more dollars. Most people, though, treat money like a reward and spend it as soon as they get it. Here's a secret: the rich understand compound growth. Whether it's investing in the stock market, real estate, or a business, they know that money grows over time. Meanwhile, most people are stuck chasing quick money or wasting it on things that lose value. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. You probably heard stories of athletes or lottery winners going broke. That's because they focus on making money, not keeping it. The rich are experts at managing money. They budget, invest, and avoid lifestyle inflation. Tax strategies. The rich don't just pay taxes, they use the tax system to their advantage. Business write offs, real estate deductions, tax advantaged accounts. These aren't loopholes, they're strategies available to anyone who knows the rules. Money is abundant, not scarce. Most people think there's not enough money to go around, but the rich know that money is abundant. They don't say, I can't afford this. They say, how can I afford this? That mindset shift is the most powerful. So, what's one thing you're going to start doing differently with your money after watching this? Drop it in the comments. I want to see who's ready to level up. And if you want more of these gems, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'm Keisha with KD Investing.